crunchy cape, you take your, you first of all get your 360-degree flare. So I'm having a 360-degree flare here. The next thing you need to do, you cut it open this way. Okay, so you'll be having this. After cutting it open this way, you now fold it over. Okay, align this M to meet with these points. Okay, this is the M line. You bring from here, align the M line to meet with the radius at this point. Have you seen? So you do the same thing on both sides. Okay, this is the starting point. So next, you get your needle and thread and tack it to stay. Okay, so I've tacked it down with a needle and a matching thread. So after doing that, you still pick another point, meeting with the radius. Okay, like this, and tack down again. Tack it down the same way. Can you see what we are getting? Continue tacking it down like this. You know the M line part is wider than the radius, so just allow all these ones, okay, to be on their own. Just try to tack what you can tack like this. Okay, so I'll tack all of this and then show you the next step. This is what we are having. Okay, can you see? Okay, so we have excess remaining here, just like that. Can you see? So now you just pleat this down, use your machine and run your stitches. Just ensure that everything has stayed put here. Just run your stitches down. Okay, so for that I'll be using pins to demonstrate it to you, and then I'll show you the results. Have you seen where we are now? This is just a small fabric that I decided to use for the demonstration. So now I'll be using a wider flare to show you what we just did now. I'll be doing this exactly to this stage, and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so here is the wider fabric I'm telling you about. Okay, can you see? So this is a length of 19 inches with a radius of 5.5 inches. Okay, so what I will do right now, I'll just do exactly what I've demonstrated here. I'll slant open. Just watch me. This is very wide, so I wanted you to see what I'm doing clearly. That's why I decided to use something smaller first. So having gotten this, you fold this way just like I did before. So you fold it, you use your machine to run a stitch there so that it stays. This other side too, you will do the same folding. So you fold it over, use your machine and run stitches so that it stays. But for now, I will just use the pin I have here to hold it down first. Okay, it's a very wide flare so that the crunchy cape will come out very well. Can you see what I've been done? So I'm now folding it over just as I demonstrated on the smaller fabric. So I will fold the same way, exactly the same way till the end. Then we continue. So far, here is the results. Can you see our cape? This cape is meant to go round the shoulder. Okay, can you see it? That's it. So it will be like this, but then you can still decide to go further by adding more tacking it. Okay, just ensure you are using your matching thread to tack it in place. Okay, let me show you an example. can decide to make it stay here like this. Okay, can you see the effects? So let's take another one. First of all, you tie it, ensure that it will not come out. That's why it's important to use your matching thread, so that even if you can see the thread a little, it will not be a problem. Okay, so just trace another part you want to tack. You can actually totally cut it off and continue tacking. Just continue tacking like this all through, then you will see the crunchy effects. Okay, so let me continue with this tacking, just like what I've done here. Tack another part, you can just hold it like this. Okay, and then tack. Try to hide the thread while you are tacking, even if it's a matching thread, so try to hide it. Okay, I'm still tacking. The beauty of this is you tack it and give it the design you want. Okay, there's no defined way of tacking it down. You try to see the design that's coming out while you are tacking. If you're okay with it, you continue. If not, you can still decide to try out another design. I think I'm okay with this. This is a chiffon fabric, and so it's very soft. Unlike the doll face satin or the mirror face satin that is stronger, this is actually a soft fabric. So I think I should go with this. The tacking effect comes out better on a doll face or on a satin fabric. Okay, let me say on a more firm, on a harder fabric. So for this, it's a soft fabric, and you can decide to finish this up by turning it over. You can decide to even finish it up before sealing these points. Okay, so here is the crunchy cape. You add it whatever way you wish to add it on your dress. Okay, the crunchy cape is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so as to continue enjoying interesting videos like this subsequently. And also remember to turn on notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Here are that before you start, you tack these two edges first, this together, and then the middle. You try to trace the middle of your circle and fold the middle first before you pleat the excess on the other parts of the radius. Okay, I hope you can now make your crunchy cape perfectly well.